Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the studio. I had 2 cups. 2 cups and a funnel for my last painting. Canning funnel. We're going to use it again. It's still moist. This is folk art black enamel that's an acrylic, and I'm going to put some of that right in there. There's a lot of paint in there, but that's okay because I have pre-primed 2 coats. A 16 by 20 inch canvas by 2 inch sides. And I'm going to do what I just did, I think. And I would like to do it with my dustpan, but I think I'm going to use my shovel. There's my dustpan. No, I'm going to use the shovel. So, what I did to give myself plenty of paint to utilize my funnel into, was fill my shovel, and I might do it again. This is my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and I am going to do it again. Wherever the puddle of paint goes, that's where I'm going to let my canning funnel travel, more or less. And because it's wet paint, it will also lead whatever's being utilized from the funnel. Now there may or may not be enough paint there, so I'm going to leave this aside in case I want some more. What the heck? Let's just make sure. I didn't layer this. I'm going to leave whatever's in there. That's beautiful, huh? And I think I want a little more of that iridescent pearl fine. No, iridescent, I don't know. It's iridescent. I might have put iridescent pearl fine in there. Okay, so here goes nothing. That was a folk art color shifting purple flash. I've got a little something clinging to the side of my... Whoa. Okay. I think I'm just going to utilize that other part of the pour to lead paint. Probably could have used a little more gold, but I've got some beautiful cells, and there is nothing to keep me from using some more gold if I want to. Because oftentimes the areas of paint that you add after wind up being things that you pour away, or the paint you're tipping flows over. I'd like to tip slow enough, but I'm a terrible slow tipper. I want some red in there. So what I'm going to do is come right back again. That was kind of a moot point. That's okay. I like the contrast. So I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I want to agitate that. I really do. Something I learned while failing at blooms miserably. Oh, I love those cells. So I'm really going to try and get as close as I can to the edges of my canvas. I may wish I had more black paint, but that's okay because I can do that. I'm going to tip it back toward the colors and then tip the colors right toward it. And that way I won't lose my colors. And I think because this is gallery wrapped, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. And if I happen to pour some paint away, oh well, I'll still be gallons behind everyone else. It's a make-do situation. I'm going to put an edge catcher right up on my tile. I really do want some more red. I like it where it is down there. Expert paint canvas tipper. We'll see how it works out. I kind of like those weird gold puddles as I get rid of one right now. Let's just do that. Same thing again, all the way around. I used to do things just like that. And it's especially easy right at this particular juncture because it's a gallery wrap canvas. It means I know that I can't waste too much paint. Although I see something that I really want to change. I'm going to grab Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Take all the rest of my paint. I might be sorry about that. Look at that. That's incredibly beautiful. Wonder if I can get away with it or if it's set up. Please let me get away with it. It's a little gloppy. Be good if I cleaned the sticky paint off my hands so I wouldn't be making a mistake. But I'm still doing pretty well. Show it to you guys. I want some turquoise. Matter of fact, I probably wouldn't mind having a few. Maybe a little black enamel. See if I can cheat. Just grab a skewer, blunt end. Odd combination, might be okay. Tip it down. I want that someplace that I can retrieve it. Now I've got good coverage. And I can steal some of the paint that dripped down. I'm not too unhappy with that. If I had another container of paint ready, I would probably put it in the small funnel and bring it up here. But I think it's going to be okay just the way it is. What I want to do is make sure my gold is working. Yeah, see, that makes the eye go back and forth. That makes me happy. And I'll just waggle it right into my black, and that will almost always create a cell or two. And then if I want to, I can make a matching mark up here. What else, what else, what else, what else? There, I don't mind that. I still want that red. I don't know what it is with me and the red today. So I like all of that pretty well. Decided to color outside the lines. Oh well. I think that's pretty much it. I should tell you guys I love you. There's over 90,000 of you subscribed. If you're new, please be welcomed. And if you want to do me a huge favor, you'll share my videos because there's something amiss going on. So I'm only getting a couple hundred out of 90,000 of you. So I would really, really appreciate that. I love this Venetian blue. And that purple is my favorite, but I really want to break up that mass right there somewhat. And I'm a big time waggler from way back. And I don't think that's going to hurt me a bit. Except for now I want more over here. And I'll be done in a minute. So check out my 1500 videos on my playlists, on all playlists and creative playlists. I am looking for more of that. That'll work. If in doubt, fake it out. So that's 2 funnel pours today. The question is, am I done? The answer is no. And because my canvas is dry, I can get away with using Venetian blue and it won't sink. And if I need more of it down over the side tomorrow, I will do that. I'm going to try and restrain myself on the bottom part of this. As in, leave that alone. Alright, so let me have one last look. She said, with no one believing her in the audience at all. Oh boy. I'm just having one of those gotta listen to my muse moments. I like that. There, I'm good. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I appreciate you liking my video. It helps me out. I love your comments. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. It's a little bit weird right now, but it gets weird on and off. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links under the link tree, which is under the video. Also, you will find there my Amazon link. And if you shop there at no added cost to you, it helps me out, helps me buy art supplies eventually. I love you dearly. What else is there? Teespring clothing is mine under the video, and there's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. Should you ever want anything printed on anything, you can always ask me. Same with comments, you can always ask me comments. If you're interested in making a purchase, my email address is directly under the video, under the Linktree link, and I will get back to you with answers to questions if I happen to have them. My community board has tomorrow's video on it. I'm going to do it. Can't help it. That one little spot was just making me crazy. Yep, that's okay. I'm good with that. She said, not sure at all. Yeah, I'm pretty good with that. I kind of want to drag a few tendrils down so I don't have a hard edge there. So I love you guys. I think I told you that. I want to thank you for all the contributions that help keep me painting all this time. Should you happen to be somebody who's able to help contribute to help keep the studio making videos and you want to do that, look for PayPal or Patreon links under the link tree or icons on my YouTube channel header. And any donations will get you automatically included into that month's drawing. The drawings are at the end of the month. You can see on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video what those prizes are during that month, because I bulk edit them all. I just want to change that edge to something not a hard line. And I think I'm good. I've got some paint to clean up, but other than that, I'm happy you guys were here, even though my camera isn't perfectly in alignment. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and look for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, if you want to be, if you want to join as a student, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. These are on Facebook. I think I said that. And that's where you can find the edited artworks from YouTube in albums there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. You can also find those links on my link tree. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I think I said that twice now. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you on. Check out my playlist. There's 1,500 videos there. Bye.